Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about how to create a bullet chart in Tableau. Bullet chart is used to compare the performance of a primary measure to one or more other measures. Bullet graph is a bar marked with extra encodings to show progress towards a goal or a performance against a reference line. So let's go to Tableau. In this chart, the sales of 2020 and the sales of 2021 are compared by the region. So the small vertical bar here showing the sales of 2021 and this blue bar is showing the sales of 2020, and the gray color around this blue bar is a gold bar which is showing 60% and 80% of average 2021 sales. Okay, so you can also edit this goal percentage. So click on this axis and right click on it, and then select this edit reference line and choose this 60-80 of average 2021 sales, and in this value field click on this drop down and you can set the goal percentage. If I set 90%, then you can able to see 90% in this gold bar. So 90% of average 2021 sales is 1,32,686. Okay, so let me remove all this and do from scratch. So click on this show me option. So this is a bullet graph. To create a bullet graph it requires 0 or more dimensions and 2 measures. So for 2 measures I have created 2 calculated fields to display the sales of 2020 and 2021. So I am going to compare the sales of 2020 and 2021 by using a bullet graph. So here I have created a calculated field and I have write the calculation. If year of audit date is equal to 2020, then sales and end. So similarly for 2021 the calculation is if year of audit date is 2021, then sales and end. Okay, so we'll select these 2 calculated fields, keep pressing on control and drag it to row shelf, and then I will drag region into column shelf. Let me swap this. So from show me option I will select this bullet graph. Then this is the sales of 2021 and this is the sales of 2020, and these are gold bars for 80% and 60%. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.